Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a continuous timeline using Microsoft PowerPoint. If you are interested in this video, please keep on watching. First is we need to start by creating a blank document. So go to the File tab, and click New, and then Blank Presentation. Now insert a blank slide and then delete the first slide. So there. So we have now the blank slide here. The first thing that we have to do is to change the color of this slide. So in order for us to do so, click the slide, right click, and then select Format Background. Now on the Format Background pane, now we select Color, and then select this color. So we have now changed the background color of this slide. So you can close now this panel. Next is we need to add shape. Now you go to Insert tab. On the Illustrations group, click Shapes, and then select this type of shape. So rectangle top corners rounded. So you click that and then drag here on your slide. So there. Next is we need to select the shape again. Click this yellow dot and then swipe it to the left so that we can have a rounded, smooth edge or side here for this rectangle. Next, we can format the color of this shape. So you click the shape again, go to the Format tab, Shape Fill, and then select this color or any color you want. Also, select the shape outline and then select no outline. Next is we need to align this shape perfectly on the center of the slide. So in order for us to do it, so you click the shape again, go to the Format tab, select Align, and then click Align Center. So we have now our shape here on the center. Next is we're going to add circle shape. So you click the circle shape here, hold Ctrl and Shift on your keyboard and slowly drag it on your slide, then release. So we have now this circle shape. What we're going to do here is to put this circle shape here inside our shape. Make sure it's on the center. Okay. Next, click this shape again, and then we're going to change the color of this circle shape. So you click the shape again, Format tab, Shape Fill. So we want this, and then shape outline, then no outline. So there. Now let's create a duplicate copy of this shape. So right click, copy, and then Ctrl V on your keyboard, then position it here. Another copy, right click, copy, and then paste it here, and then put it here below. Next is we have to make sure that these circles were aligned perfectly. So all we have to do is to click the circle, hold Control, click, and then go to the Format tab, Align, and then distribute vertically. So there. Next is we're going to add a line. So go to the drawing tool again. So let's add line here. So do not forget to hold Shift on your keyboard. So from here, hold Shift and then drag it towards the right. There. So we can change also the color here on the Format tab, Shape Outline, and then let's select this color. So we can also change the weight or thickness of our line. So there. Next is we're going to add a placeholder of text or text box. So you go here on the drawing group, click the text box, and then drag it over here. And then you may now type in the text you want. So let's say, for example, I type in this text. Now we can change the font of this. So your font of this. So all I have to do is to highlight everything, go to the font group, and then select agency FB. So we can also resize this. I think this is enough. So there. Now we're going to add another text box. So you click this and then put it here. And then you may type the date or era or year. Let's say, for example, year 2008. And then change the font. So highlight everything here. Go to the font. Select the same font and then resize it. So we want to add some emphasis here. So you click this text box and then go to the font and click bold. So there. Next is we need to select this line, this text box, and then this text box, and then we have to group them together. So right click, group, and so there. Next is we have to duplicate this. So we group them together. So you click this group and then press Ctrl D on your keyboard. So there. So then put it here. So we want to put this this group to the other side, to the left. So in order for us to do it, so you click this group and then go to the Format tab, rotate, click rotate, and then select Flip Horizontal. And then you can now put it on this side. Oops, there. Next is, so we need to add another group here. So you select this, Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate, and then put it in here. So there. So we're now done with our first slide. Next is we need to duplicate this. So you click this first slide, right click, and then duplicate slide. So we have now the same exact copy of the first slide. So we are now on the second slide. Now all we have to do here is to select first this shape, go to the Format tab, Edit Shape, and then we need to change the shape into a regular rectangle. So once you click that, so we have now the regular rectangle here. So we don't have here the smooth edge on the top. That's it. Okay. Now since our last item on the first slide is on the right, so we have to put the first item on the second slide on the left. Okay. So we need to click this group. So go to the Format, rotate, and flip horizontal, and then put it on the left side. Now, so same thing goes here. So rotate, flip horizontal, and then let's put it here. So do the same thing here. So you click this, go to the Format, rotate, and then flip horizontal, and then let's put it on this side. So there. Next is we need to duplicate again the second slide. So you click the second slide here, right click, and then select duplicate slide. Now for this slide, for the third slide, so we need the smooth round edge here on the bottom part of this shape. So we need to change this into rounded top corner again. So go to the Format, Edit Shape, Change Shape, and then select this one. select rectangle, top corners, rounded. So you select that, and then below, click the dot here, and then swipe it to the right, something like that. Now, since the last item on the second slide is on the left, so we have to put the first item on the third slide on the right. So, on the third slide, we need to put this on the right. So, you go to the format, rotate, and then flip horizontal. And then we can put it here on the right. Now, same thing will apply here. So, you click this group, rotate, and then flip horizontal. Put it on the left, click this group, rotate, flip horizontal, and then let's put it here on the right. So there. So all we have to do now, so you go back to the first slide. So what we have to do now is to change the year here. 2009, let's say 2010. Now, at this point, we're going to add now animation for each group here. Okay? So, you click the group, go to the animations, and then select wipe. Now, once you select the wipe, go to the effects option now, and then here from left. So, there. Now, so we'll use the same animation, but it should be going to the right. So you click this animation, wipe, effects option from right. So there. So you click this group, wipe, effects animation from left. So there. So we can copy and paste the animation here using the animation painter. So let's select this group, click the animation painter, go to the second slide, and then click this group on the right. So there. So again, click this now, click the animation painter, and then click this now, click this group on the right. Again, select it, animation painter, and then select this. Now for the items on the left, so you click this, animation painter, go to the second slide, and then click the group on the left side. So we need to copy the animation again, click this group, animation painter, and then click this group. So there. Now, click this third slide. Okay, go back to the second slide, copy the animation again, and then go to the third slide and then paste it here. Now, at this point, we need the animation pane because our animation is not yet in order. So we need to put the animation in order. So go to the animation pane, and then we have to put it in order. So this should be the first one, it's correct, second one, and the third one. So the animation here is on the right order. Now let's go to the second slide. So let's click this one. So this should be the first one. So we have to move this on the first here, there. So you click this now, second group. So it's correct. And then the third one, so it's in the right place. So we go now to the third slide. So this should be the first one here. So it's correct. Second one, so we need to reorder it again. So let's put it here on the middle. And then select this. So it should be on the third. So it's correct now. So we can now run our slide for a while. Let's run. There. So there. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So we have now the correct animation of each group. Next is, we need to go to the first slide again, and then we need to add title here. So we need to go to the Insert tab, text box, and then drag the text box here on left, and then let's type our title here. So let's say, History of Computer. So we can change the font, it should be bigger. So there, change the font, it should be the same here. Let's make it big. So there. So select bold here. And then we need to change the color. So same as this. So highlight everything here. Go to the font group, select this font color, eyedropper tool, and then select this. So there. Now for us to make it a seamless and continuous timeline, so we need to add a good transition for this. Okay? Now, our transition that we're going to use is the push transition. So you need to select the second slide because we need to add transition from first slide to second slide. So you click the push transition. So there. Now on the third slide, we need to add push transition again. So there. Now we can run our PowerPoint. So there you have it. So we have created now the seamless continuous timeline presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you want the copy of this PowerPoint presentation, so I can send it to your email. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and then comment down below your Gmail account. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.